Well, guys, Bitcoin is still bearish, and part of the news today regarding Bitcoin is that jobs data came out today better than expected for the non-farm payroll data. As a result, Bitcoin dropped pretty severely. A lot of people are expecting the 200-week moving average, which was tested previously, to be tested again at around 58,000. And I don't beg to differ on that, actually. I kind of agree that it looks bearish on the chart. So if we look at the chart, let's see if we can pull it up real quick. If we look at the chart, this is the daily. So let's go out to the weekly chart and we'll show where the 200-week moving average sits currently at that about 58.19 or 58.2, rounded off. So that's the white line. I show it to you, that curving up white line basically, and it looks like we're going to get close to that, if not break right through it. The pattern on this doesn't look anything but bearish. Let's go zoom out on a daily chart and remove the averages real quick. It just doesn't look good, man. It's not really, it's trying a consolidation pattern, right? But to me, it looks horrible. RSI is inflecting down. If you look at the RSI, going sloping downward. MACD was trying to curl back up down on the bottom here, but it looks like it could possibly fail too. So in that regard, I'm not extremely bullish on the chart pattern at all. I don't see a lot of strength on that. And we had some pretty big outflows. We bounced a little bit. We're bounced a little bit later in the day now. So that's promising somewhat short term, but I actually think midterm we go lower, to be honest, throughout the year, unless something changes on the liquidity front. And, different things are affecting the price action, obviously. So, got to keep that in mind. So, right now, I'm not too bullish on it, and I'm going to wait it out. So, and what am I going to wait for? It's that 200 week moving average. So, let's see, 58.2. I want to see if we test it and we break through it possibly. If we break through it, you got to expect a lot more downside potentially. So there's no hurry. There's no hurry to rush in. I mean, yeah, a lot of people are saying we're closer to the lows than we are to the highs, and that's probably true long term. So if you did buy in here, you'd have to expect to hold it for some time before you get a substantial bounce, I would think. And maybe later in the year, maybe if we get the Clarity Act passed or we get some liquidity back into the system to the extent where we get tax cuts and whatever else occurs, maybe Bitcoin finally gets a bid. But right now, I wouldn't be in too much of a hurry. I mean, DCA to a certain extent, maybe. I'm not buying Bitcoin directly. I'm trading proxies. I'm using Bitcoin miners. And if anything, I would trade IBIT, the Bitcoin spot price ETF. That's the one I would go for because it's really liquid with options. All right, guys, take care. Bye.